Hi, I'd like to report a problem in Ardour 6. This is the version that was almost finished version before Ardour 6.7 is released, and the bug I've reported recently still is there. And the bug is I've been using the ripple edit mode a little bit, and what happened is it totally messed up my session, and now in Ardour 6.6 some regions are drawn in a different place that they actually are. So this region actually starts where the blue line is.
Hey,
But it's drawn
I'm
here.
on.
It's not here. It doesn't play here. It's here.
Hey,
But I'm moving it and it's not there. So that's a problem. And I'll need to go back to Ardour 6.5 to work on this session because of this bug. Yay. So if you could look into that, that would be great. Thanks. Bye.